Yo people from Tech House Market, and welcome to this brand new video. I'm Burner, and today I'm gonna show you a thing that's happening a lot with beginning producers. Sometimes if you have a sample found on the internet, or most of the time on Splice, you can already see the key of the sample. They show you the key of the sample most of the time. But if you find old samples, for example, most of the time you didn't see the key of the sample. So every sample has a key as well. And right now I'm gonna show you that. I have this synth step over here. And this original sample has a key itself. Right now, if I play a melody with this, you hear that it's not fitting. It's not the right key. And that's because of this sample has an own key. We have to find the right key for that. So how you can do that is I just play a few notes like this. And now I'm gonna train my ears with the piano to make sure that they are the same. It's definitely A. So right now we know that the original key of this sample is in A. So what you have to do right here, you have the root over here, and we're gonna set this to A. And right now, if we play something on C, it has to be on the same key right now. So that's how you make sure that the sample you are playing with is in the same key as piano, for example. You can also use the tuner for that, this one, but the reason I'm not showing you this is because the tuner is not always working, not on every sound, because sometimes the tuner can't detect the key of the sound. So in this case, it's working. It's in C because we already changed the pitch of this sound. But I'd like to do it the way how I did it with the piano to make sure 100% that we are working in the same key. That was it for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. See ya.